Hey guys, we're here at the McDonald's parking lot. Kylie and I just clocked out. We are exhausted. She is even more exhausted, being just about due. She's got about 8 weeks to go. We are going to show you guys today how to ensure freshness with your French fries at McDonald's. Before we get this started, don't forget to subscribe. Definitely subscribe. I'm going to have many more videos. I've been having some technical difficulties with my computer at home, but we'll get it all figured out. Anyways, stay tuned.
Welcome to McDonald's. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
Can I help you?
Hi. I'd like to get 2 large fries, unsalted, please.
Two large fries, no salt?
No salt.
Okay.
Can I get salt on the side though?
Yeah.
That'll be it.
Okay, that's always me at the very first window.
Awesome, thank you.
You're welcome.
Your kid's pissed.
We'll get him a drink. We'll get him a drink. Why am I turning? You want a large drink, Kylie?
Hello.
Can I get 2? What, Kylie?
There was 1 large fry for $1.
Oh, we had a coupon.
For what?
1 large fry for
we scan
$1.
this?
Can we scan it?
You can scan it.
Yes. Yes.
And can I add a large? You want root beer or a berry Sprite?
Root beer.
Can I get a large root beer? Actually, 2 large root beers. That'll be it.
What was I?
He's gonna have that one.
$6.24.
Cool. Price didn't change. It's a figure. We don't eat fast food all the time. We just do it for the videos. I'm kidding. We eat fast food all the time. What? We do.
No, we don't.
We do. We do not cook. We don't cook. I mean, we do, but we don't. It's like
Rare occasion. We both work a lot.
we do work a lot. So sometimes fast food seems a little better, or sometimes we hit up a place called Esperanza's Cafe. That's my mother.
AKA Seiden's abuela.
Seiden's grandma.
The only downside to asking for fresh French fries is the wait.
The wait sucks. It is eternal. But I guarantee there will be a crunch with those fries.
Like a pickle crunch?
All right, so we got our fries.
Yeah.
There's yours. There's mine. Here is your salt. Iodized salt.
Why was I having such a hard time reading that?
No idea.
Did they just give you one salt?
Nope, they gave me multiple ones. Why is the sun so bright? There it is. Iodized. Oh, come on, there it is. Iodized.
AKA table salt?
Table salt. So, what?
My fingers. I felt salty.
You're fine. So then just put some salt over it. I think one is enough, honestly. One is enough for the whole one fry.
There's one fry that has like 70 pounds of salt on it and like half my shirt.
Dude.
The baby cotton salt.
These. Piping hot. Got a little crunch to them.
Fresh AF.
Fresh AF. And there you have it. That is how to ensure fresh fries every single time. The only down part is Kylie said it's a 7-minute wait to make the fries. That's the downside.
But well worth it.
Very well worth it. Take care, everyone. Make good choices. Bye for now.